Welcome back to another cooking tips episode. On today's episode, I'm going to show you something that I learned right away when I was starting off cooking. One of the first things I learned how to cook was rice. Sounds simple, but most people mess it up. I'm going to show you how to cook brown rice. One of my favorite rices right now I eat with most of my meals. So stay tuned. Okay, so first we're going to cook 1 cup of brown rice. We take 1 cup of brown rice, measure it out, put it in your pan, or pot I should say. Then we're going to take, for every 1 cup, we're going to take 3 cups liquid. This is 2 cups. We need 1 more cup. Three cups. So that's the percentage. For every cup, 3. So it's a 1 to 3 ratio. Now we're going to put our rice on the stove. Turn to high. Add 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Bring to boil. Okay, now that it's boiling, we're going to cover it. Reduce the heat from high to low and cook for 30 minutes. Okay, so you can see it's been 30 minutes, most of the water is gone. Now my next little trick I do is I cover it, turn the heat off, and let it sit for 15 minutes before I even touch it. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Alright, now the rice is sat for a while. Now what I'm going to use is this fork. The fork is to keep the starch in line. So all I'm going to do is just fluff it up a little bit. And I'm ready to go. Serve it. So there you go. Easy brown rice. It comes out really fluffy with this recipe. So you saw total time was 45 minutes. 30 minutes on simmer after you brought it to a boil. 15 minutes on hold. This rice can last in your refrigerator for, I would say, safely a week. There's a lot of things you can do to this. I mean, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that show you different stuff. This is the easy version of a brown rice. When I do it at work, I use chicken stock instead of just regular water. I saute a little shallots, a little white wine, a little herbs to add some flavor to it. But for home, this is perfect for me because I keep it very simple and then just pair this with anything. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, you can check me out on Instagram as Chef Jesse Q. Facebook is Chef Jesse Q. Twitter is Chef Jesse Q. A new video drops every Tuesday and Saturday for cooking stuff. I don't know what I'm going to do going forward with that. There's cooking tips and then there's cooking shows. And then I also do 3 vlogs a week. So hopefully you like the content. As always, I appreciate any comments, any feedbacks. Almost a half a year into this is all new to me. So learning as I go. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't lose any content or miss any content. And as always, I'll see you guys next week. Take it easy.
Do not open and destroy it. So far, a few people have managed to commit suicide after seeing the disturbing image file.